Just another day in the life of a business owner frustrated by juggling around with multiple marketing agencies, or even trying to sell through cold DMs, Facebook groups, and even getting a new logo designed thrice as advised by the so-called experts in search for buyers who are actually interested in his services. He has been robbed, lied to, scammed, and even after dumping so much money down the drain, he hasn't even got a single real breakthrough since his business has started. He feels like quitting all this bullshit and getting back to his 9-to-5 job as he stands in the middle of nowhere in this scorching dry heat. The business owner is very frustrated and angry. After losing all hope, the business owner sees a holy glare coming from the sky. Who would have thought? It was the internet god. God says everything you've come looking for is indeed in front of you. The business owner, filled with optimism, begins to look out for something, and then his eyes want on an empty mystery crate. He begins to open the box, and then he finds this secret book.
Are you also busting your sales balls off trying to get new customers for your business online? Do you also feel like standing thirsty in the middle of the Saharan desert with absolutely no freaking buddy to rescue you? Well, don't feel missed out, champion, because you are not alone in this crazy never-ending cash dumping marathon. In 2024, more than thousands of small to mid-sized businesses collectively contributed a well over 10,000 crores in marketing and acquiring new clients. That too, just in a single financial year. And yet more than 84% of them still suffer from poor quality leads, bad ROAS, zero sales, increased advertising costs, and maybe whatnot. Now you must have this question up in your head. What could be the damn reason? And well, here is the damn reason. That's you and your ability to trust anything and everything you see on the internet. Did I hurt your feelings? Do you want me to write you a lovey-dovey sorry text? Anyways, jokes apart, now as being the founder of the country's most innovative lead generation marketing agency, I have pushed myself out of the same situation, trying and testing almost every client-getting tactic for my business. From sliding into IGDMs of over 1100 strangers in less than a week, or cold calling 60 plus numbers straight from my bedroom, or writing tons of personalized emails as taught by the YouTube gurus, or posting that not so engaging content on LinkedIn as taught by the brand strategist on that 3-hour long boring ass webinar. Word of mouth, IG Reels, Facebook groups, Discord, and heck yeah, even billboards. You name it, I have tested it, just to realize that getting clients, leads or sales is not just simply a result of luck, dependency on algorithms or cry praying in front of the internet gods. It's a result of having a reliable and a high velocity selling system that gets you leads and inquiries for your services as consistent as the sun rising. And today, I'll be just rewinding the timeline a bit and showing you what actually gave birth to this selling system. On a random Saturday, the clock set at exactly 2 in the midnight. In the chilling month of November, as I glanced out of the window, nothing was visible. It was all foggy and dark. A random notification popped on my phone and my brain got stuck with a question. Why do all the modern $1 million service businesses spend a big chunk of money every month on paid advertising? I went into complete ghost mode carrying this question up in my head and followed up with the idea of paid ads for the next 29 days straight. This was my first time betting my money into paid ads. I did some deep digging on the internet about it and burnt a lot of cash, testing what works and what not. No IGDMs, no more cold emails, only paid ads day in and day out. And then one night, suddenly every dot started to connect. That just flipped the switch in. I dug even deeper into this, and just after spending a little under 13 lakh rupees, investing more than 600 plus days, watching over hundreds of hours of informative content across the internet, reading 5 fat marketing books, testing thousands of ad creatives and 15 plus landing pages, I finally cracked this bulletproof selling system that gets me leads consistently for as low as 10 to 15 rupees per pop, switching them into self-selling appointment for as low as 50 rupees, and even converting them into paying clients for as low as 400 to 600 rupees landed. We call it the Apex Growth Circuit. This isn't just any other ordinary paid ad strategy, but a complete 7-step AI powered customer acquisition system that takes complete strangers on the internet and converts them into high paying, lucrative buyers, throwing heaps of money at you every single month. And for a very limited time only, I'll be giving you this exact system blueprint in my bestseller ebook for absolutely free, so that you don't have to slide into DMs all day long, or cold call people on the so called not a good time to talk, or post content to an imaginary audience that get 11 likes and 0 leads. And now you must be thinking, why am I doing all this? Well, I'll be answering everything on the link down below.
Some side effects of reading this ebook can be better performing ads, cheaper leads, higher appointment show-up rates, better conversion rates, and reduced client acquisition costs. And yes, reading this ebook alone won't make you a millionaire. So kindly take your lazy ass off Instagram Reels and get to work applying these strategies ASAP.